Short video that's going to demonstrate using NRDS to add the practice evaluations for producers. So just a quick overview of the app. Once I log in, I have a bunch of different options on my sidebar, ranging from the dashboards to a map where you can actually draw and add polygons. So I could pre-draw and add polygons before I do my practice evaluations. I can manage and add users here. I can manage GIS features, such as my list of polygons. From here, if someone gives me a shapefile or a KML, I can import it here. Templates, these are the forms. This is how you build a form. Surveys, these are the different forms that you can fill out, including the practice standards. Photo gallery is where photos would go if you upload them and you need to view them. So if you upload a photo to a practice, you can view your video. Drop-down lists, these control some preset drop-down lists. Map settings for building custom maps. Icons, you can add custom icons, and then tags, which are easy ways to organize your data. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate a few things. Let's say I am at a farm, for example, Kakao, and I'm going to do a brush management practice evaluation. So I would come down here to surveys. If the surveys are hidden, you can click on them. And I'm going to select Practice Builder. No, actually, I'm sorry. I'm not going to select Practice Builder. I'm going to select 314 Brush Management. The next thing I'm going to do to start my survey, I'm going to click Add Survey. This is how you would add a new evaluation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to see there's tags up here. I'm going to ignore that because I don't really need to tag and organize my form because it's not completed yet. I'm going to select a producer. I'm going to select Kakao. Then I'm going to select a polygon. So there's a few different ways to add or select polygons. I can either select an existing one that I know about from this list, or I can go to my map over here. I could zoom to the area, find the field, and draw the polygon. If you know the address, you can click this little globe right here, and you can type in your address. And it will take you to the area. And you can see I have a polygon right here. I could actually click on it, or I could draw a new one. So I can click Add Polygon, and I can come over here and I can draw, click, 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 double click to save my polygon. And I'm going to say Sam's Field 2. And you'll see every polygon needs to be named uniquely. You can't have two with the same name. And then I can select the type of polygon it is. Once I've saved my polygon, I can click on it to select it, and I can select more than one, or click on it to deselect it. And then you can see here they show up on the list. I could, if I already know about them, I could manually select them, and I can select more than one. Next, I'm going to add the producer email. And now I'm going to start my evaluation. So for each section, there are a group of questions. If you click on the eye, you can see the actual question and read it, and then answer it. If I come over here and I click Save, you'll see it barks at me about all the unsaved questions that I did not complete. So I'm going to come through, click Yes. If I select No, it opens up a comment field. So I'm going to fill all these out really quickly. And so this is the way you would want to do it if you were, say, like on the phone with somebody. If you're on site, you could use the mobile app, and I'll include a separate video that will show you how to do this on the mobile app. So I filled out my form, and I'm going to click Save. I could also add some documents. I could drag and drop a spreadsheet or a PDF, or I can upload photos as well. and click Save. Once that's done, I can return to my list, and here I'll see my evaluation. Once it's in this list view, you could actually edit from the list view, or you could select it, export it to CSV or Excel. If you could fill in one of these on a spreadsheet and upload it directly into the system. If I want to edit my practice, I made a mistake or I want to change something, I can click this update and I can come in and edit it. I can also click this I to get a detail view, which will allow me to print this as a PDF. And you can see it prints a nice little report with everything, with photos and everything. Also from the detail view, I can get to the edit. So one other way that you could add your polygons before you go on site is you can click this map button. And you can get to your area, click draw, polygons, digitize your field, same thing, tap, click, double click to save, name your field, type, save. And then you can, in this map, you could also click on a field and edit it. So there's a separate tutorial for working with these maps as well. And one other quick thing to show you is if you need to add other people to your organization. This is not for adding producers. This is for adding other people within your organization. You click users, invite user, put in their email, select their role, save, and they'll get an email invite. So this is a quick overview of how to do a practice evaluation. The next video will show you how to do it on mobile, which is for using it in the field. Okay, thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions.